Thank you for being here today. It truly means so much to me to see this room filled with friends, partners, and fellow dreamers who believe in the power of transformation inside and out. Wildskin was born from something very personal. A journey of healing, growth, and reclaiming self-confidence. Not just physically, but emotionally. As someone who has also gone through skin struggles and insecurities, I wanted to create a brand that is not just about products, but about purpose. Wildskin is for every person who's ever looked in the mirror and wished to feel a little more confident, a little more cool. When I started this journey, I was stepping into something completely new. I've spent most of my life as an actor, someone who interprets stories and gives life to characters that reflect human truth. But stepping into entrepreneurship, itong pag-inegosyo, was a different kind of performance. One that required me to learn to stumble and to rise again. I was juggling between my work as an actor and as someone trying to understand the world of business. And if I'm being honest, my story, my own insecurities, beneath the very reason why I started Wildskin. In my line of work, where cameras magnify every detail, it often feels like being at your best, physically, and it becomes part of the job. I've always prayed that one day we'll live in a world where people are valued not for what's seen on the outside, but for what they can do, how they can love, how they can touch lives through their passion and values. But back then, I didn't feel enough. I struggled with acne marks and acne scars. Things that I'm sure some of you, or most of you, might have noticed in my films or series. I lose sleep staring at the mirror until 3 a.m., comparing myself to others, trying to plan how to fix what I'm seeing in the mirror. It took me years to understand that there was nothing broken about me to begin with. The textures on my skin, on our skin, they should be celebrated. They are proof that we've lived, that we've overcome something that once affected our mental, emotional, and physical health. But while textures tell a story, discoloration doesn't have to be part of it. Because I believe discoloration doesn't define who we are. That's why I created Wildskin. Every product we're launching today was crafted with love, science, and soul. It's a reflection of that journey from insecurity to acceptance, from fear to confidence. This is just the beginning of something wild, beautiful, and bold. Thank you for being part of our day one. Maraming salamat sa mga partners ko sa Army Masita. Sa lahat po na nandito ngayon. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wildskin.
Once again, CEO of Wildskin, Christian Gomez.
Space ang bawat isa sa market. So, I'm more than competing, siguro ito yung dadagdagan ko lang yung opportunity na makukuha ng mga tao.
Sinabi mo kanina na now you're gonna go back to what you love, no, yung acting. Ano bang mga projects that you're working on right now?
For now, hindi ko pa si Mac, meron daw kami isa. But yeah, surprise na lang siguro.
I was just in Korea with Daniel last week, no? Tapos nominated doon Saving Grace for 2 different categories. But at the same time, you got recognition, the show got recognition in the Asian Academy Creative Awards. Ano yung pakiramdam lang that the show is getting so much recognition?
Oh my goodness. Of course, I'm happy, but more than anything, si Julia Lopez, sobrang natutuwa for her, for Zia, for everyone.
Zia just won. Diba?
Yeah.
Sa katatapos lang na, what was that? It's an award giving body rin, diba? Creative Awards din yata.
Yes. Na talagang nag-pay off lahat ng hard work. More than anyone else, si Julia at si Zia talaga yung pinaka-babad kung sa Saving Grace eh. So sobrang deserve.
Takot sa'yo yung bata eh. Na-trauma na sa'yo yung bata.
Oh.
Because of ano yun? Okay. And Hannah, katanong ka pa? Okay, thanks you.
Bakit Wild Skin?
Go lang.
Christian.
Why Wild Skin? Because confidence and healing doesn't always come pretty. Sometimes or most of the time, it comes wild. So Wild Skin. And trivia, binuo ko tong Wild Skin habang kumakain ako sa wild flower.
Wow!
Ganda yung life-changing, di ba?
Christian, parang
Yung line ako, this is actually a gift for myself. I'm in an industry where perfection is a must. And sadly, I'm not perfect. I'm far from being perfect. And it took me a very long time to finally accept that. So finally, nung na-accept ko na siya, and ako mismo, naghanap ako ng solusyon dun sa problems ko. Wild Skin.
Christian, parang ever since naman magandang skin mo, ano yung sinasabi mo na parang pinagdaanan mo na parang yun ang naging inspiration mo to build this?
You know how cruel our industry is, diba? Minsan makakarinig ka na, tawag nito, bakit niya, hindi siya perfect, ganon. So for quite some time, it affected me a lot. But I came to a point na, tama na. It's about time for me to embrace my skin.
Can you share naman yung 4 products na pinupost mo for your
Kasi ito yung 4 products na kailangan ko. So I thought, marami rin nangangailangan ito. A facial cleanser na andun lahat ng actives. So hindi ka magiging oily the whole day. Habang naghihilamos ka, yung benefits ng mga serums na usually binibili mo isa-isa, andun na. And then meron tayong morning serum na mayroon ng SPF. And then evening serum na kumpleto na lahat. So basically all of our products are all in one. So lahat ng mga serums na niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, isa-isa yung binibili yan eh. So ito infused na sa lahat.
In that span, in that 4 years, ano yung biggest challenge mo?
Biggest challenge? Yung wala akong idea at first sa kung ano ang gagawin ko. Basta alam ko gusto ko siyang gawin. And then, sometime, somewhere, nag-open ang mga doors for me. Unti-unti ko siyang natutunan, nalaman. And then, yeah. Kagaya nung pagiging actor, kung hindi ko naman inisip na magiging ganito ko before eh. Dahil wala naman akong kakilala sa showcase. And somehow, God opened doors of opportunities for me.
Available na ba in the market and how much or how affordable?
Available na siya sa October 10, 10/10. Affordable, it is affordable I must say because yung tig-iisa yung binibili ng mga serums andito na lahat sa isang presyo.
Last question. Christian, kamusta naman ang personal life mo? Parang wala kami nababalitaan sa ano mo, love life mo or anything.
Busy ako sa Wednesday.
Wala ka ng time.
Wala na akong time. Wala. Kain, tulog, Wednesday.
Choice mo yan.
Choice ko eh. Choice ko.
Baka next year.
Wow.
Baka next year.
Baka next year.
Maghahanap ka na.
Thank you so much. Bawi kami sa sunod.
Thank you, Christian. Congrats.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, start